The best. Stop! Oh no! He's going wrong! Shoot! That did not work how I imagined it. That was awesome. That did not work how I thought it would. I told him to stop and he just guns it already. It's like, come on, I was gonna stand there and go like that. He should have done it earlier.
When he won, he said ha ha. And there's a mom. He stopped.
Okay, well that was the bus race video. Bye. Bye.